In this video, we're diving into Microsoft Project, a powerful project management tool widely used by businesses and teams to plan, track, and manage projects. From the very start, the platform presents a clean and user-friendly interface. If you're familiar with other Microsoft products, you'll quickly notice the consistent design and intuitive layout. One of the first things you'll experience is the project dashboard, which serves as your central hub for tracking tasks, milestones, and progress. Microsoft Project allows users to create detailed schedules with tasks, dependencies, and timelines. You can organize your work visually using Gantt charts, which are a key feature of the platform. These charts provide a clear view of project timelines, showing the relationship between tasks and deadlines. You can easily adjust task durations and deadlines, and even see the impact of delays in real time, making it perfect for team collaboration. Another standout feature is the ability to assign resources to tasks. You can track resource allocation, costs, and workloads, ensuring that your team is always operating at maximum efficiency. For large projects, Microsoft Project allows you to break down complex tasks into smaller, manageable ones, which can be delegated to the appropriate team members. As we move through the platform, we also see robust reporting tools. Microsoft Project offers various built-in reports that you can use to monitor project health, task completion, and resource utilization. These reports can be customized to suit the specific needs of your team or business. Now, let's talk about the collaboration aspect. Microsoft Project integrates seamlessly with other Microsoft tools like Teams, SharePoint, and OneDrive, which makes it easy for teams to work together and share files. You can add comments, update task statuses, and track changes in real time, ensuring everyone is on the same page. Plus, with cloud integration, you can access your projects from anywhere, anytime, on any device. Many useful links can be found in the description of this video. After watching, be sure to check them out for additional resources and tools that can enhance your project management experience. When it comes to pricing, Microsoft Project offers a few different plans, ranging from basic options to more advanced features. Pricing can be on the higher side, but if you're managing complex projects or need enterprise-level capabilities, the investment can be worth it. Microsoft also offers a free trial, so you can explore the tool before committing to a plan. Overall, Microsoft Project is a solid choice for businesses and teams looking for a comprehensive project management solution. The integration with Microsoft's suite of tools, ease of use, and powerful features make it a top contender for large-scale projects. However, it may feel overwhelming for users looking for a simpler solution. If you need advanced project tracking and reporting, this might be the perfect tool for you. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more honest reviews and in-depth tutorials.